GitLens is packed with features to help you make sense of your Git history, as well as features to streamline the team dev process. It comes in 2 flavors. The Community Edition is the same awesome free extension developers have been using for years. With it, you get the familiar insights at a glance using inline blame and gutter highlights. You can get even more detail using hovers right in the editor. Revision navigation is your very own time machine to track a file's history and understand code changes over time. With Pro Edition, GitLens makes you even more productive and also expands your ability to work with the rest of your team. Accelerate your team's PR review process, whether that is as a reviewer or by tracking the status of your own PRs with Launchpad. Speed up PR feedback instead of relying on traditional comments that only relate to a single line by using CodeSuggest. Get a high-level view of the entire commit history in a clean, searchable visualization, and even go beyond just what you can see by interacting with the commit graph in powerful ways not possible in any other graph available. All of these powerful Pro features seamlessly integrate with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket to reduce context switching, making sure you can get things done right in VS Code, rather than having to repeatedly jump out to your browser.